Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick but crucial skill for anyone working with layered PDF documents: how to view layers in Adobe Acrobat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate and display the Layers panel, whether you see the icon in your sidebar or need to dig a little deeper using the menus. This will help you organize complex documents, reveal hidden content, and collaborate more efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, open up your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat, or Adobe Reader, if that's what you're working with. Now, most PDF documents that support layers will have a special panel that lets you control which parts of the document are visible. This is super handy if, for example, you're looking at architectural plans that show different phases, or you want to toggle between alternative layouts in a design draft. As soon as your document opens, turn your attention to the left-hand navigation pane. Over here, you might see a row of icons stacked vertically along the edge of the window. The one we're interested in looks a bit like two little squares stacked on top of each other. Honestly, kind of like pancakes. That's your Layers icon. If you spot it, just click once, and the Layers panel instantly pops up, showing you a list of all available layers in your document. You can click to expand individual layers, or toggle their visibility if your PDF supports it. Now, I know not everyone will see that icon right away, especially if you're using a newer interface or your setup's been customized at some point. No worries. Adobe has you covered. Let me show you the alternative route. Head up to the top of your application window and click View. This menu controls what panels are shown on your screen. Once the View menu opens, look for the Show Hide option. It might take a moment to spot if you're not used to the menu layout. Go into Side Panels, and from there, find and select Layers. It's like telling Acrobat, "Hey, I need the Layers panel. Show it to me." Instantly, the icon appears in your sidebar, and just like before, you can click to open and browse all your layers. Remember, sometimes your PDF doesn't have any layers at all, so don't be alarmed if you open the panel and it's blank, or you get a little notification saying there are no layers available. That simply means whoever created the document didn't include them. Let me just add a quick tip here. If you're working with colleagues who use different software or devices, checking for layers in Acrobat makes it easier to help everyone get on the same page, or the same layer. Think of layers like sheets of tracing paper stacked on top of each other. You get to decide which ones you want to see. All right, that wraps up today's walkthrough on accessing and viewing layers in Adobe Acrobat. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into something tricky, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.